Hello, good evening, and welcome back to the channel. This is a day I've really been waiting for, and hopefully you have too. Steam today has dropped a massive hardware crate drop on us all, and it's completely designed for gamers. Not only do we now have the Steam Deck, we have the Steam controller, the Steam machine, and the Steam frame, and let's get into it. So I'm really excited to start discussing with you the Steam frame. Now, I did tweet quite a while back that I thought the name Steam frame was a little boring. Nothing against it, Valve. I'm actually quite like it. It fits into the new ecosystem. I did think they may go with something more exciting, but obviously Valve have kept with that name and it fits. So this is Valve's brand new standalone headset. It's a computer in itself. You don't have to have a PC to play VR games on the flat screen or from the Steam library. There's going to be two SKUs with this headset, one cheaper and one more expensive. I think one's going to have 256 gigabytes of memory, one's going to have 1 terabyte of memory. There is an SD card expansion slot, so you can actually preload games directly to the headset, take the headset wherever you want to go, and be able to play your games. But this is also Valve's next PC VR headset, and you can wirelessly stream your Valve VR games to the headset. Now, a lot of people have tried this, other manufacturers tried this and not been successful. Valve have come up with a really good system in that it's wireless, it's Wi-Fi 6, but the headset's actually Wi-Fi 7. So you get this smart wireless adapter with the headset that you plug into your PC, and the VR headset has actually got eye tracking, but it's not foveated rendering. It's, as they said, they've introduced foveated streaming. So what Valve have done, that any PC VR games you're playing and rendering on your system, with the eye tracking, it only streams the area that your eye is looking at. And with this new VR headset, they've got their own bespoke pancake lenses that have got an absolutely massive sweet spot. But this is paired with an LCD screen. It's 2160 by 2160, a bit like the HP Reverb G2, but hopefully I'm not wrong on this. I do think this has HDR, and they've designed and made this. Now immediately I can imagine there's a lot of people shouting at home, but I wanted OLED. But if you actually watch some of the other videos out there that go into a lot more details, Linus Tech Tips has been out to Valve and done a video. Norm from Adam Savage's Tested has also been out. It's worth watching those two videos. You get a lot more information and a lot more idea of what this headset's going to be like. It has been compared to a Quest 3 in that with the pancake lenses, the very wide sweet spot, but the plus point of this headset is the very wide field of view. And the Valve engineers have said it was really important to have that very wide field of view, because in the very many iterations of testing and development systems they made, they went for a real close-up clarity, and you know, with the pancake lenses and making the clarity super clear. But what they found in testing, people found it was a bit claustrophobic. Even though you're playing on a big screen, it felt very small. And they realised the importance of a very wide field of view. Obviously, everybody's mileage is going to vary, but they reckon, say, up to about 110 degrees. There's going to be various facial interfaces. There may be a more premium sound system. That's something they're discussing, thinking about. It's not been, full details haven't been released yet, and there could be additional peripherals available as a buying option as a more premium headset. But at the moment, the audio is integrated into the head strap. It's been specially designed and fires into the ears. Guys who've tested said there is a little bit of sound leakage, but you know, with the old Index over the ear headphones, it didn't sound like sound leakage, but you know, it was there anyway. Like I say, I'm not going to go deep into the specs. If you come over to the Steam website, it's got it all here. The device doesn't use base stations. It's inside out tracking. They say that the controllers can be tracked in absolute darkness. Obviously, again, mileage may vary, but this paired with the Steam controller, it's like a dream come true for me. The stick drift I've got on my old Xbox 360 controllers, it's getting bad on one of them. And I was thinking I need a new controller, but this is all going to tie in. If you want the very highest PC VR experience, this isn't the headset that's going to deliver that. There are compromises within the headset, but it's so you get that unique, just almost seamless gaming experience. It's not going to be the highest fidelity headset on the market, but from what I've heard and from people who've, you know, had hands-on experience with it, you would not be able to tell with a wireless streaming that it wasn't connected up via a cable. It's apparently it's that good. They've built proprietary into the SteamOS this software and hardware, and they said it's almost seamless. Please go off and watch some of the other videos before you start, you know, informing your own opinions, and just see this. This is early days, guys. We haven't even got a price yet. They do say that the hoping is going to sell for far less than what the Valve Index cost. The package for the Valve Index was $1,000, so prices should come in under that. But obviously, just with the tech that's gone into this, I still think I could be wrong, but $800 or, you know, somewhere around £700-800 mark. I don't know. Let's see when prices come out. I've already added the Steam frame and the Steam controller to my wish list. Obviously, I am not got hands on. I'm just normal consumers going to be buying the headset. And a lot of you are probably at this point thinking, where's Half-Life 3? Is the Half-Life 3? Does it even exist? I'd say give it another couple of weeks more. And to be honest, as I commented on Sebastian Ang's video, I did say to him, I'm not going to, you know, explain how I've got these thoughts or details, but I did say to him, I do expect that this would be coming out next year, and it has come to fruition. So let's just wait for a little bit and see what happens as we go along. I am very, very excited, and I cannot wait to get my hands on this. This is exactly what I've wanted. The Steam ecosystem in a VR headset that's going to be a PC VR headset. Take it away on holiday, put games on an SD card, and you know if there is a Half-Life 3, it's going to run seamlessly. I'm excited. Are you excited? Please comment down below. Tell me your thoughts. Is the fact that it's not an OLED screen a game breaker, or I should say a deal breaker? For me, absolutely not. You know Valve are going to... The compromises are all going to work to give us a seamless gaming experience. And this is why I haven't gone for the Quest 3. I haven't gone for other higher VR headsets, because I've wanted for so long the gaming package. This is going to cater for all my VR and playing flat screen in VR and watching films in VR. It's going to tick all the boxes. Yeah, some of it might not be the highest end, but it's definitely not low end, guys. Anyway, sound off down below, and I will see you soon in more videos to come. We are in very exciting times. I'll see you soon next video, guys. Peace out.